How to install 4-light industrial diamond-shaped chandelier. Remove the fixture from the carton and check all parts and accessories. Adjust iron frames to the proper position. Thread screws through the holes in iron ring and iron frames, then tighten with nuts. Screw stem and swivel joint onto arms assembly. Thread the fixture wires through iron frame and loop. Secure iron frames by screwing loop to swivel joint. Adjust arms to the proper position. Attach a quick link to connect to chain and the loop on the top of fixture. Install bulbs. LNC is always aimed at bringing home furnishings with love. We hope you enjoy your new LNC light.